quick information for the people who want to know if the knocking noise coming from the rear suspension. So is that bushing there need to be replaced, so nothing major. The customer who bought it, he says he's been told you need to change the bearing inside the hub, which is not true, because if you listen, it's got a little play in it. So if you have the same issue, just get new bushing for the Fox rear suspension. So it's not a big job, you should do it yourself easily. You can see a little play and making that knocking noise when you go over humps.